Have you ever got a 2,400 pound package delivered to your door? What's up everyone, Anatol here with Up All Night Inc. In the last video we talked a little bit about our Anatol Volt, our 9-color, 10-station, fully electric press that we just got. It's completely revolutionized our business, but it didn't just show up ready to go like that. Today we're gonna go over the delivery process, the uncrating, and the installation, and we'll give you a few tips and tricks so you know what you're gonna be getting yourself into, whether you've purchased an automatic press or you're thinking about purchasing an automatic press. Let's take a look. Now that you have that out of the way, you may be thinking it's time for the installation. You'd be wrong. Now you have to get everything uncrated and ready for the install, and as you're about to see in this video, that's no easy task. So once you're done removing all the screws and pulling the heads and laying everything out on the floor and cleaning your shop for half a day just to get rid of the wood, you're basically ready for the installation at this point. Now, if you're tired of moving heavy objects, the great news is you have a ton more in store for you. So all in all, it was a very fun day and a really fun process. We enjoyed having Randy come out and help us get the press up and running. Just to recap, again, the delivery truck's gonna show up. You're gonna need a forklift and some people to get it out of your shop. You're gonna need to uncrate everything and get it ready for the installation. And then during the installation, you are gonna need a friend or two to help lift everything on the machine while it's being assembled. Also, some really good tips is have a lot of microfiber towels because there's gonna be sawdust on everything. And on top of that, there's a lot of grease that you have to remove off of everything. So make sure you have plenty of paper towels on hand and just listen to your tech and help them in any way that you can and enjoy your new press. You can follow us on Up All Night Inc. on Instagram. You can also follow us on Facebook on Up All Night Inc. And stay tuned with what we got cooking.